Media Productions. Today we are in front of Chhattisgarh Raigad King Palace, which is now called Chandni Chowk area, and this has been maintained and covered completely on some extent, and the king ancestrals, great grandsons are residing inside that, and the last king Vishal Singh, he governed the kingdom, though there is a democracy going on, but the royal rules still going on there in their respective villages and in their family. And Vishal Singh met accident before 2.5 months and he expired. So Raigad has lost his king, and a minor child declared as the king of this kingdom. And this is the area Chandni Chowk, and in front of this palace another building is there during the time of king that has been constructed. Let I take you to that site. This is the George Town Hall opened by F.L. Crawford, Esquire, UCS, political agent, Chhattisgarh headquarters, editorials on September 5th, 1915. And this is the town hall for the use of public at that time of Britishism. After that invasion of the Britishers to India, Chhattisgarh also under them, and they have constructed this in the year of 1915. This is the town hall just in front of the palace. Let I take you to another one. This is the complete view of the town hall, you see, and just that is in front of the palace. This is the front gate of the king. Let's we go inside and I'll show you one by one. Now we are entering inside the palace, and this is the first entrance of the palace. Let I show you how this has been unused most of part. Still the king and his clans residing, and some office also going on inside that. Now we are in the first floor of the palace of king of Raigad kingdom, late Vishal Singh ji, and we are just showing you still the family of kings of Raigad kingdom, they are residing and they are staying inside this palace. And though it has not been maintained fully, but still it is habitable, and their family and relatives are staying in this palace, and this is not completely been abandoned, but most of part due to non-used, abandoned, but still it is some extent maintained by the resident, the family, those who are residing, they are maintaining, and up to their standard they are maintaining and try to keep this palace up to date. Dear friends, Sambalpur kingdom, Raigad kingdom, these are the very closely connected before many 100 years, and this Raigad kingdom's king Chakradhar Singh, he has done marvelous job, and when after visit to Sambalpur's king request, king of Raigad came to his own kingdom, and then after there was a dream, Sapnadesh, and then after he also constructed Samleshwari temple here too, and that is still maintaining, and that Samleshwari temple is just outer side of the palace that I'll show you later. Ground floor of the palace, you see, and right now, after meeting of daughter of late Vijay Bahadur Singh, we got to know that there is a cemetery of King of Raigad, which is inside this hall, but it has been locked, and without permission no one can enter there. And there is also temple, and which just for the memory of the then king of Raigad kingdom, that has been constructed. And we urge the Chhattisgarh government, at least this is a monument, and this should be given thrust and importance. And on behalf of Mahanadi Time Media Productions, we urge the Culture Department and Tourism Department of Chhattisgarh to look into the matter and try to decorate and maintain this palace with the permissions of the royal family, open for the general public for tourist purpose, with charging minimum fee for the maintenance of this palace after approval of the royal family members. Jai Hind, thank you very much.